Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide simply down to useful features category, and here we can find the location tags option with short info from the device that this can add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using the button from the right we can easily turn them off and turn them on as we need. And also here the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo. To check its location, we have to simply slide down. And as you can see here, we get access to map with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.